Welcome to the WION podcast. In this episode, we uncover the remarkable story behind Venice's creation, revealing how refugees transformed a vulnerable lagoon into a thriving city, and how ingenious engineering continues to defend it from rising waters. Venice's foundations were built not for beauty, but for protection. Spanning 116 islands in a shallow lagoon, this Italian destination was constructed as a fortress against invaders. Understanding how this floating city was engineered shows a 1,500-year-old history of human resilience. Here is exactly why this iconic location was built entirely on water. The story begins in the 5th century AD, during the collapse of the Western Roman Empire. As Germanic tribes like the Huns and Lombards swept across Italy, mainland residents sought a safe haven. They fled to the marshy, inaccessible mudflats of the Adriatic Sea. The shallow waters and shifting sands formed a natural defense mechanism, making it nearly impossible for land-based armies to launch effective attacks. What started as temporary refugee camps eventually evolved into a permanent, thriving settlement. Building a heavy stone city on soft mud required an unconventional approach. Early settlers drove millions of wooden piles, made from oak and larch, deep into the seabed until they reached a solid layer of compressed clay. Because the wood was submerged in salt water and deprived of oxygen, it did not rot. Instead, the minerals petrified the timber, turning it into a stone-like foundation. Builders then laid non-porous Istrian stone on top to block corrosive saltwater from reaching the brickwork above. Despite its brilliant engineering, Venice now faces severe modern threats. Rising sea levels and natural ground subsidence have led to frequent flooding events known as acqua alta. To protect the historic infrastructure, Italy developed the MOSE project, a system of 78 mobile gates that rise from the seabed to block high tides. This state-of-the-art flood defense system required a massive investment of roughly $7 billion. While successful in stopping recent floods, the barrier alters lagoon sediment flows, presenting new ecological challenges. Venice stands as a testament to historical engineering, but its fragile ecosystem requires constant protection. Travelers visiting the 116 islands should support sustainable tourism initiatives and travel during off-peak seasons to help reduce the daily physical strain on the sinking city. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories.